So the reason I'm passionate about soil is because when it comes to everything else on the planet, it all revolves around this resource that we take for granted every day. It's really important to invest in this ground and do the right thing on an annual basis, because in the grand scheme of things, most farmers are only going to get about 40 to 60 chances in their lifetime to grow a crop and to see what they can do with a growing season and a completeness of a year. So having a plan, thinking about long-term, how I can improve it now so 5 years down the road, I can continue to work on the improvements instead of playing catch-up, is where this whole thing really comes into the proactiveness of soil health instead of the reactiveness of soil health. Soil Health Partnership exists to help bridge some of the gaps that go between the folks that are studying and the folks that are practicing. And what I mean by that is that there's plenty of research that's happening at universities, but a lot of times it's in replicated trials and it's small scale. We work with growers that are ready to make changes to their operation, but they don't necessarily have that right resource to lean on to help them make those changes and guide them along the way. We're working directly with growers so that they've got that extra person at their disposal so that they can see ways and they have somebody to draw knowledge from to put those practices to work on their farm. The inverse of that is that we're there to help them collect the data so we can put data together across all of these sites in all of these states so that we can help more than just the few hundred growers that we directly get to touch on an annual basis. The research is valuable because it's one of very, very few data sets that comes from all across the country. It takes these implementations that are really important for each one of these growers and puts it together along with management data, economic data, and yield and soil health and soil sample data to really give us an opportunity to pull things out that we can help teach and help other growers implement practices on their farm with.